Are you making muffins?
I'm making muffins.
Good job. All right, is it all in there?
A second.
Okay. Now,
Let's do it.
no, put the milk in first. Here it is. Put the milk in. Good job.
No, stir.
Okay, you could stir a little bit. And now we're going to put the egg in. Leave that in there. Just leave that in there. Good girl. Now get the egg. Do you want some help?
Oh.
Well, here, you try again. Try again. Just crack it on here. Crack it. Hit it a little harder.
Oh, Pommy.
Alright, now open it up. Good job. Now keep the shell. Put the shell in here. Good job.
Now the stir.
Now stir, stir, stir.
A little faster. It stirs.
You're stirring. Good job.
Let's do it faster.
Good job, sweetie. You made muffins.
Muffins. I make them.